Hello everyone, it's Freshcooking here today again. Just want to share another one of my simple, delicious, hearty meals with you. You can use it as a breakfast menu or you can use it as a snack. It's called Baked Avocado and Eggs. It's delicious, and as we all know, avocado has a lot of natural oils in there and you get your protein from the eggs. I just think it's a winner. You can have it with a slice of toast. So here are the ingredients. Large avocado, peppers, yellow and red. You can use orange and red, whatever you prefer. 2 eggs, some parsley for garnishing, and feta cheese, cumin powder, paprika powder, and some Himalayan salt. So first we cut the avocado in two. Try and just keep it half. Just enough space so that egg can sit in here. We chop up our peppers and just get everything ready. Just dice it. Then when all of this is ready, you take your egg, you crack it in two, you crack it open. Salt, a little pinch of salt on here. A little pinch of cumin powder. A little pinch of paprika. Then you add your peppers on top and some feta cheese. You place them onto a baking tray. To the oven on gas mac. Preheat the oven onto gas mac 425 and place them into the oven for about 16 minutes. Hey guys, this is the end result after 16 minutes in the oven on gas mac 425. This is optional. You can sprinkle some parsley on there and dig in and enjoy. Hope you enjoy my simple avocado recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.